welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. In the last video, we talked about the Naiform, right? So in this video, I want to introduce you to Naiform. It used to make negative sentences and is super common in Japanese grammar. Let's begin. Okay, let's break down how to conjugate verbs into the Naiform. Japanese verbs are divided into three groups: Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Group 1 verbs end with an E sound before mas, like machimasu, to wait, ikimasu, to go, yomimasu, to read. For Group 1 verbs, we remove mas and change the final vowels from the E row to the R row, then add nai. For instance, kikimasu, to ask, to listen. Before mas, we have the character ki, so we change ki to ka and then add nai. So kikimasu, kikanai. Another example, yomimasu, to read. Before mas, we have mi, so we change mi to ma and then add nai. Yomimasu, to read, becomes yomanai. Similarly, we have asobimasu, to play, asobanai. Hanashimasu, to talk, hanasanai. Isogimasu, to hurry, isoganai. And tachimasu, to stand, tatanai. Do you understand this part? Let's move on to some important points of Group 1 that we need to pay attention to. If the character before mas is E, we change E to wa and then add nai. For example, utaimasu, to sing. We have before mas is E, so we change E to wa and then add nai. Therefore, utaimasu, to sing, becomes utawanai. Or imasu, to say. Similarly, before mas is E, so we change E to wa and then add nai. Imasu, to say, iwanai. Is it okay for you? But we are not done yet. There is one special verb in Group 1 that you need to memorize. That is arimasu, to have, to exist. If we follow the pattern we have learning, arimasu will be conjugated to aranai. However, this is incorrect. So please remember this. The negative form of arimasu is simply nai. Okay, next up is Group 2 verbs. Group 2 verbs end with the A sound before mas. To make a Group 2 verb negative, just take away mas and add nai. Like nemasu, to sleep. Before mas is ne. It's an A sound, right? So we say goodbye to mas and add nai. Nemasu, to sleep, becomes ne nai. Or tabemasu, to eat, becomes tabenai. However, at the N5 level, there are about 13 special verbs that you need to memorize. These verbs end in E sound, but they are still Group 2 verbs. And just like another Group 2 verbs, you simply remove mas and add nai. Let's look at these verbs. Okimasu, to wake up, okinai. Kimasu, to wear, kinai. Mimasu, to wash, to see, minai. Abimasu, to take a shower, abinai. Orimasu, to get off, orinai. Dojimasu, to close, dojinai. Ochimasu, to fall, ochinai. Shinjimasu, to believe, shinjinai. Dekimasu, can do, dekinai. Sugimasu, too much, suginai. Tarimasu, to be enough, tarinai. Karimasu, to borrow, karinai. Imasu, to exist, to be, to have, animate, inai. In the list we just went over, please pay attention to kimasu, to wear. It's a Group 2 verb and it's written to kanji like this. I want to make sure you don't confuse it with Group 3 verbs later on. Group 3 consists of 2 verbs, shimasu, to do, and kimasu, to come. You can see kimasu, but it doesn't mean to wear, it means to come, and it's a Group 3 verbs. For the Group 3 verbs, kimasu, you have to learn its negative form by heart. The negative form of kimasu is gonai. And for shimasu, it's very simple, just remove mas and then add nai. In addition, we can combine shimasu with nouns to create new verbs. Like endo, exercise, this is a noun. When combined with shimasu, it becomes endoshimasu, to exercise, and this is a verb. The negative form is endoshinai. Similarly, we have samposhimasu, to take a walk, becomes samposhinai. Shinpai shimasu, to worry, shinpai shinai. And benkyou shimasu, to study, benkyou shinai. How does that sound? Is it difficult? Now let me explain why it's important to learn how to conjugate verbs into the negative form, Naiform in Japanese. The most basic use of the Naiform is to make a sentence negative. For example, instead of saying 私はコーヒーを飲みません, we can say 私はコーヒーを飲まない I don't drink coffee. Next, when we combine the Naiform with でください we get ないでください which means please don't do something. ここでタバコを吸わないでください please don't smoke here. Another common usage of the Naiform combined with ければなりません which means must do something. 残業しなければなりません I have to work overtime. And Naiform combined with くてもいいんです expresses the idea of don't have to. 明日来なくてもいいんです You don't have to come tomorrow. As you can see, the Naiform has many usage, so let's try our best to learn it. And now let's do a quick 5-second challenge. Try to conjugate this verb into negative form Naiform. 始めましょう。
To meet 会います会います会わない会わない To drink 飲みます飲みます飲まない飲まない To eat 食べます食べます食べない食べない To read 読みます読みます読まない読まない To go 行きます行きます行かない行かない To listen to ask 聞きます聞きます聞かない聞かない To sleep 寝ます寝ます寝ない寝ない To buy 買います買います買わない買わない To study 勉強します勉強します勉強しない勉強しない To get off 降ります降ります降りない降りない To play 遊びます遊びます遊ばない遊ばない To forget 忘れます忘れます忘れない忘れない To use 使います使います使わない使わない To see to watch 見ます見ます見ない見ない To exercise 運動します運動します運動しない運動しない To swim 泳ぎます泳ぎます泳がない泳がない To come 来ます来ます来ない来ない To wait 待ちます待ちます待たない待たない To worry 心配します心配します心配しない心配しない To wear 着ます着ます着ない着ない To return home 帰ります帰ります帰らない帰らない To do しますしますしないしない To take a shower 浴びます浴びます浴びない浴びない To have ありますありますないない To make to create 作ります作ります作らない作らない
And that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know you are working hard every day. 頑張ってください. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.